I just spent like 5,000 for the lawyer, 5,000 to get out. So right there, boom, 10,000, just like in less than like 48 hours. I don't think I'm gonna do this again though.
Have to keep them clean.
Why? So you can soak them? After. Alright, so you're trying to get married. Alright guys, if you watch the vlogs, you will know where we're at. I'm gonna give you 3 seconds to comment. 1, 2, 3. We are at Plazamaerica. And they sell dope little jewelry like this here. They sell everything here. But basically, me and Rosa are gonna be getting our eyebrows done. And y'all saw the title, we're also gonna be getting a pedicure. Let me see your toes.
No.
Wait, you're getting one too, right?
Yeah.
So are they gonna have to take off your nails that you have right now?
Yeah. That's what I want them to do. Just clean them out. So I can get a new
so
set.
Rosa's toes exposed.
Yeah, my real toes.
The original OG toes. And then my feet, they need to get done. You know, they've been through hell. You know, they've been through the gel Crocs. You know, the sweaty cotton Crocs with no socks. So we're gonna get our toes done too. And you know, our lady, the same old, you know what I'm saying? I'm just glad to be in the free world, being able to have the luxury to do this, man. I don't take it for granted anymore. You know, every day is a blessing. Look, they got kids in here too. You know, random kids just coming in and getting the eyebrows done. They probably seen this YouTube video. What you mean? They
Why are you
almost look
grabbing
the
my
same.
hand like that?
Like, no, look. Honestly, like, I usually go get them done when they like thick and bushy. Honestly, they look the same. Like, back from here. So you're saying mine are thick and bushy?
Show yours. Let me see.
Are they really that bad?
Wait, let me take a picture. Look at the camera. Look
Hey,
at the camera.
Oh. I mean, I guess they're not that bad. Alright guys, eyebrows back on fresh. Thank you to my sugar mama. Thank you for paying.
Of course.
You're so
Then
nice.
he's gonna pay the petty.
Oh. There's always a little catch to it. And yo, let me know if y'all want to make a video. Like, people always talk about like who pays for what and all the finances, and everybody's like, Rosa never pays for nothing or whatever. I know, but I think we should do a video, you know, explaining it a little bit. You know, some people might want to know like how couples work with, like, or even us as influencers, like how the money work and what we do. Well, all I'm gonna say is, shit, my bank account running on empty, bruh. I just spent like 5,000 for the lawyer, 5,000 to get out. So right there, boom. Luckily, I'm blessed enough like to be able to pay that and get out and be free, and beat the case. But 10,000 just like in less than like 48 hours. So it kind of set me back. You know, that's gonna set back merch a little bit. But yeah, so we're about to go get our little happy nails, mani-pedi thingy. Look. So, what you gonna get your toes white, right?
No, I'ma just clean them and then Gerard is gonna do them white. They left hella hairs on you, mi amor.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, I'm sorry. Scratched you with my nail.
Okay. Ooh, you spit in my face.
And you don't spit in mine.
You're right. All right. Can I spit on your face, son? All right. What did you tell me?
Oh, I was telling him that the kids that he recorded in the beginning, that once they were entering to go do their eyebrows, they actually do notice. Like,
I said they might watch our
yeah.
videos, and Rosa
And
said that
the girl came up to me and she was like, "Hi, I'm a big fan. Like, I love you." And I was like, "Oh, thank you." And then I hugged her, but she didn't want to take a picture. I guess she was too shy. And then, but yeah, I was like, Julian, like, she actually does watch our videos. Isn't that crazy?
What you
The
mean?
water goes like until right
This is
here.
all the way up. You just want me to show off my legs. 2. Bet. Alright, for sure. Oh man. sure. And what about me? What do I get? Well, guys, I'm not gonna lie. It's kind of hot. It's not hot for you. This is kind of hot for me. But I guess it feels good. I need to get my toes cleaned and everything. Alright, since I'm getting my toes done, I can finally post them on TikTok. Alright, Mighties, this is just out of pocket. So what should I do? Should I just shave off my hair? You think I should just shave off all my leg hair? What you think? Go bald? No? You like the hair? I think they might be a little more prettier without the hair though. Damn, Rosa's toes exposed.
Stop.
Wait, is that big one really your toe?
Yeah.
That's your nail?
Yeah.
That big old nail. Dang, how long it been growing? I'll be cutting my toenails down all the way. I like feeling fresh and free, you know? And if you keep them too long, they get a little stinky. Cheese touch.
Guys, I've showed Julian every part of my body except my raw toes. Like,
Real deal spiel. Toes. I see almost every inch.
in my body. But not
Oh,
my
just
toes.
one? Okay, I'm sorry.
Not my toes.
Damn. Today we took another big step.
Yeah.
Finally. I don't think I'm gonna do this again though. Cause I don't be showing my toes like you do. Like they don't need to look pretty, you know. Maybe if they start getting a little more casting on the TikTok and a little more screen time, then yeah, maybe I'll get them done. But they don't be getting a lot of screen time. Maybe with the swimming vlogs and everything, I might have. Why? So you can suck them? After. You have to. They're gonna be clean after this. That means you have to after. Yeah. Alright guys, so the water's out. I think we're almost done with my toes. They've been massaged. Rosa's getting hers painted. They look really, really good, mi amor. Hold on your top. Do I wear those?
No, you can wear that.
Oh, I can wear my shoes?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Right.
Oh yeah, I got little slippers. Thank you so much.
Yeah, well, okay.
Oh, actually, can I get a pair of those? Yeah, I just want to try them on. I don't like how they're orange though. It reminds me of jail. Little jail shoes. How do these work?
She needs it. Yeah, she needs it.
She needs it,
She needs it.
but I can't get any.
Can you already try?
Oh man.
Yeah.
Alright, so beep beep, beep beep. We received another package at the P.O. box. Yep. Guys, every time I get a package from the P.O. box, it gives me a text. So literally, I know when we get packages. So if you haven't yet, make sure you send all the packages to the address on the screen if you want to send something for me or for Rosa. And we just did part 4 of P.O. Box opening. We had 13 packages. And it was crazy, and I think I got yours. Alright guys, here's a little HD on Rosa's toes. Nah, they look good.
I want these.
But like, you have some.
I don't like my natural.
I could just tell you a fast runner just by your feet.
Why?
I know you be pushing hard off the ground, like, oh, like a cool full push on the ground. Just I can tell by how your feet are built. Like, I know you're.
Because they're wide? Because they're wide?
Yeah, because they're wide.
My mom has wide toes. I mean, wide feet.
Yeah, I kind of like the wide feet though.
Yeah, I don't.
They like go in your mouth perfectly, you know. Yeah. Let me see the toes and the little flippers. Hell yeah.
I do like them,
But you don't. It's okay. You don't gotta. It's alright. We learn from our
Well,
L's.
I do like them.
We learn from our L's and we make
no,
W's. Okay.
I do like them,
But you don't.
No, but I don't like my natural nail. She did a good job.
Yeah. All right. How much do I owe you?
$55.
55.
Yes, sir.
All right, bet. All right, guys. So now we pull up to the Galleria. We're gonna get some food from Chili's. Rosa said she was hungry. I'm not really too hungry. I already got Whataburger. But honestly, I need to cut down on eating the food. I'm getting a little chubby. And I really just need to start working out, at least doing a little jogging, a little walking. And look at my little buttercup waiting right there. Oh, somebody just ran up on her. She just got ran up on. Oh, man. Wait, what's your name? What's your name?
My name's Brianna.
Yo, guys, shout out to Brianna. She just pulled up and showed us that she's subscribed to the YouTube channel. And make sure you have your notifications on. There's some big videos coming out soon. Oh, look, I see myself. All right, thank you so much. Adios. Bye. We made it to Pandora. I think Rosa's gonna get a bracelet or something. I actually kind of like these. What you thinking about getting, Buttercup? They got some nice jewelry here, no cap.
Jewelry.
Some jewelry.
If I don't get a bracelet, I'm gonna get a ring.
All right, so you're trying to get married, man. What? $85? Oh, I thought it was for a bracelet. I was about to say that's cheap. Let's see what they got here. Which one do you like? Is there wedding rings?
Green one. That green heart. Do you see it? Babe, look at that.
Which one?
The gold one. This one, the one I'm pointing at, right there. Oh my god, I love that.
I like it too.
What the hell?
What are the options? Damn.
They're expensive.
120. So Rosa tried those two. She didn't like them, but she likes. Which one that you like? Oh, this one, right? This one she's liking. We might have to get it. Yeah. Oh, it's cool. Yeah, I like it. You see?
Thank you.
Is there anything else I can help you out with?
No, thank you. That's it.
Y'all have a great day.
You too.